The learning target that we're going to cover in this video is making scatter plots. And this is something that we should already be familiar with because it's simply repeatedly plotting a bunch of XY values, such as the relationship between fat and calories shown on the graph here. I'm going to hide myself so we see the whole graph. So a couple things to point out. If you were told something like 30 grams and 600 calories, you would put the point right here where the mouse cursor is, where it's 30 on the grams or the X scale and 600 on the Y or calories scale. Um, Similarly, if you're told 400 calories and 17 grams of fat, you would put the dot again where the mouse cursor is to match up with those points. What that is going to look like on Khan Academy is you'll be given again some sort of data where you're going to plot a bunch of points on a graph. So 32.5 and 5. And all you do, you click on the graph and the dot shows up for the most part. 20 is the height, 4 is the pedal, 15 and 2, 35 and 8, 10 and 1.5. 1.5 would be halfway between 2 and 1. And then 37.5, so that would be here. So it's in between 35 and 40, and 8.5. And what happens if I try to click right now, it won't go right there. So if I click someplace else, I put the dot on. Now that dot's in the wrong spot. It's not representing a height of 37.5 and a pedal length of 8.5. But now I can drag that dot. So it's halfway between 9 and 8. There's my 8.5 pedal height. It's halfway between 35 and 40. Go down and check. Yep, that's my 37.5 is the height. Hope this video helps. Please give this Khan Academy a try and progress towards completing the quiz this week.